Hi guys, today we are baking a vanilla cake with caramel frosting and fresh flowers decor for this amazing, beautiful, elegant, huge African YouTuber. My name is Julie and this is the Pastry Kitchen. For our ingredients, we have butter, caster sugar, vanilla essence, flour, baking powder, some vinegar, milk, and eggs. So into the mixer, I'm going to beat in the butter and caster sugar till fluffy, then add in the eggs. So I'm just going to scrape off from the sides and the bottom, then add in the eggs and the vanilla essence. So the reason as to why I'm adding eggs one by one is so that it can mix in well with the butter. So now let's add in the vanilla essence. So I'm just going to mix it a little for some few seconds. So I'm going to pour the vinegar into the milk just to make it sour. Then I'm going to sift in the flour and baking powder and just to air it up. Then put it into this mixture bit by bit together with the milk. So guys, our batter is ready and I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts so that our cake can have a better body. So guys, since this is light butter, I'm just going to give it a little shake, then toss them into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Guys, welcome back to our second part of the video where we're going to be decorating the cake. Here with me, I have whipped cream, caramel, some leftover whipped cream, every tool that we need to decorate the cake, flowers, and our cakes. So first I'm going to start beating the whipped cream, and as it beats, I'm going to be leveling the cake. at this point I'm going to add in the caramel into the frosting so that it can add in that caramel taste. Then I'm going to frost my cake. So guys, I'm going to be making a video on how to make homemade caramel later on. So please don't forget to subscribe. There's more to come. So guys, now we're done with the frosting. It's time for the final touches. So guys, I'm going to give the cake a few caramel drips, then we'll finish up with the flowers. So guys, for the second part of the cake decoration, I'll be using this bowl on the second half of the cake. This is to ensure that the flowers don't get into direct contact with the cake. So the reason as to why I put the frosting on the bowl is so that the flowers can hold, and also the reason why I put the bowl on the cake is so that it can be easier to remove and have the cake without the flowers contaminating it. So let's begin. guys, our cake is ready for delivery. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, bye!
Yo guys, this is the most beautiful cake I've ever seen. Like, wow. Like, I'm so impressed. The detail is just on another level. I love it so much. So guys, guess what? We are partnering with these guys to be giving you free cake every single month. Cake and it's cake and pizza. Cake and pizza every single month. I'm so excited for you guys. All you have to do is tell us whose birthday it is. Is it your mom's birthday, your brother's birthday, your sister's, your friends? Tell us why they need the cake. Follow this channel, subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Instagram. We are gonna leave their link in the description box. Follow us both on Instagram, DM us, and tell us why you need the cake. And you're sorted for your birthday. Just buy drinks and that's it.